Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Pleasant Hill local and long-distance movers near me. Our qualified movers understand how to ensure your long-distance move does not include all of the stress. No matter how far you need to relocate, our qualified crew of movers will make it a lot simpler. The best moving services help make all the difference, and our staff provide just what you need for your upcoming move. Hiring our team guarantees you receive access to all of the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be simple to reconcile the price of getting a California moving company. When you look into the key advantages you get, the price may be much easier to deal with. Any good moving company will certainly help you save time on your local move. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our team of professional movers will definitely ensure your move is quite efficient. You do not have to worry about devoting multiple days dealing with your move when you choose 3 movers to help. Even when your move is big enough that it may take you all week, we can get it done in no more than a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pleasant Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.